guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about the tarnish stains that creep up on your belt, especially your designer belt. So you see the brownish stains. Yeah, so we're going to be using the glass cooktop polish, and just wait a minute and see magic. So you're just gonna grab a Q-tip and just dip it in the polish and just scrub. Make sure you scrub it until it vanishes. And if you notice, you see it's actually coming off pretty easy. Like I don't even have to like scrub too hard. It's coming off pretty good. And as you can see, all the tarnish stains are gone. Like it's like brand new. And that's it for today. And if you found this tip helpful, make sure to like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more fashion tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments if you tried it and how it worked for you. And I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay stylish.